Today we're here to celebrate a milestone achievement. We have installed over 120 miles of new underground piping that allows us to renew the wiring that's under the streets.
And so today we're actually going to be setting a manhole.
This is really the culmination of part of the Smart Energy Plan St. Louis Downtown Underground Network Upgrade Project.
We've been able to replace a lot of old clay tile duct conduits and pipes that were under the street. Some have been there for over 100 years.
When folks lose their power, especially in this cold weather, we want to make sure that they are able to get that back on as quick as possible.
It also helps our constituents right now to have better quality of service, and it also helps Ameren be able to do their jobs a lot quicker.
When we finish this system, it will be one of the most advanced in the nation when it comes to smart operations, and it's all about reducing those outage times. Today can be outed, hours that customers can see an outage when there's a failure, and this new smart system will be able to reduce those outage times down to minutes and sometimes even seconds.
People want to be in a place where they know they can depend on power and where they sometimes have the incentive to make it a little easier for them to do business. Downtown supports the city of St. Louis, and it's the face for the entire metro region.
56% of these materials and manufacturers are happening right here in Missouri, and that's why it's more important than anything. It's because we're bringing back jobs to Missouri.
What was important for us is to make sure that we were able to communicate out to the community. So we came together and decided that weekly we were going to provide a Google map that showed all of the work zones.
I hope that this is a blueprint for how we can do business in Missouri. You guys being tenacious and not giving up and not turning the blind eye to such a large issue is extremely important, and this just shows why we have to have good partners in Missouri for everything we're trying to do for Missourians.